back, guys. We have found this ancient box. I wonder where they're from. When we throw them from that roof, or maybe it's from that, and it's been replaced.
How would it come from this? Because
don't ask, okay?
subscribe to Superman to the Rescue on this channel. Wait, what's that noise?
Come on. I can hear quite snapping.
Come on, guys.
What is that noise? There's a wild coming. You can see because he's got that blue coat. There he is. Look. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get down! Well, when you say you're there, you gotta get down! Right, I guess we're going. Okay.
Look, he's got his coat on. That's for protection. It's like a shield against humans. Hey, I come in peace. Would you like some meat?
No! I'll just...
Oh no, no, it's right here! Oh my god! Hi guys. So we're just taking this dumb bear.
Not dumb. Hey! Want a treat?
Okay. That's meat. Mr. Ugly Puggy. Mr. Ugly Puggy. You know we're tamed here. He's attacked one. Give me some bacon.
Okay, here's some bacon.
Right. Okay, guys. I forgot to say this is part 2 of the nature show.
Well, in the same video. We'll cut this bit out.
Yeah, this is
Bacon.
You see him bacon right now, guys.
Bacon.